What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this one we're going to talk about making Clickbank sales using Facebook. Now I have something really special to share with you guys because this is actually a really powerful way to build a community on Facebook and generate Clickbank sales with it. Alright, so let's get started. I'm gonna do it really quick because I don't want to waste any time here. You know guys how I do it. So the first thing you need in order to start making money on Clickbank using Facebook at least is some sort of content, right? So you can actually either create videos of yourself or you can actually create videos without being in them. I actually made a video about this a couple of days ago. I'm gonna link it here for you guys to check out or in the description. It's gonna pop up, but that was a great video. You know, if you want to make Clickbank sales off of YouTube without making videos, it's a great one. You should definitely check it out. So the reason I'm bringing that up is because we can use the content that we created for YouTube on this as well. But you know, if you don't know what to do, one of the fastest ways is to actually get some content for your Facebook promotion campaign is to buy PLR. So just go to YouTube, search buy PLR, and you're gonna see a lot of websites where they sell you these packages, again depending on the product you're promoting, you know, the category of the product you're promoting, anything like that. You gotta find something. For example, if you're promoting a weight loss product, you gotta find something related to weight loss. So this can be ebooks and videos. So I usually what I recommend is going for a package, a PLR package that gives you ebooks and videos, so you can use both of them. So when you get your content ready, again, if you want to learn more about making videos, because if you make it yourself is much better. If you want to learn more about that, check out that video I just linked. So after that, you want to create a Facebook page. That's the second step. All right, so the Facebook page is actually going to be the reason for that is to just use it for promotion. Okay, we're not going to be using it to do anything else. And you're gonna create a Facebook page, upload all of your content, especially if you have videos. Just upload it in the Facebook page. You know, as you see, I got 4 videos, and I just uploaded right here in the Facebook with the link to my website. Again, you don't have to have a website, but you can do that. So when you got your videos down on your Facebook page, you want to create a Facebook group. All right. So this is where the important stuff happens, because what you want to do is you want to actually upload your videos or content, a PDF, whatever you're offering, okay, because you got to offer something to people. Whatever you're offering, you want to upload it to your Facebook group, and you want to drop your Facebook group link on your Facebook group page. All right, so right here, this is the Facebook group that I just created for this, guys. So you got your Facebook group right here. So after that, the next step to this is to actually promote your Facebook group. Now you cannot actually directly promote a Facebook group. So what you can do is post it on your Facebook page and promote it, boost the post basically. So that's one way to promote a Facebook group. That's really cool and it works really great. So so after that, you just want to, the idea, the flow of this whole thing is that you want to advertise for your Facebook page, get people to join your Facebook group. Now let me show you the Facebook group because it's very important. So on my Facebook group, I got a bunch of useful stuff. If you take a look, let me just make this smaller here. So I see I got a bunch of videos here that people can watch, a lot of good stuff, right? And then on top, I have this post. It's pinned. I'm not sure why it doesn't say it's pinned, but it's pinned. And I have a couple of links. First of all, I have a link to my affiliate page. You know, now on Facebook you cannot directly link to an affiliate page. What I recommend is either using a quiz or using just a page and then having a link on that page. But I see this is the top post that people are going to see. Now usually what I do when I get people to the group, I usually either ask them to check out the YouTube channel, which is going to take them to my YouTube channel, the Modern Fitness Hub YouTube channel. This is, again, I got all my videos right here as well. So we got these videos everywhere. You know, again, doesn't matter if you do it, but if you buy it with the PLR or if you make it yourself, you want to upload it to YouTube, Facebook, and Facebook group. So again, the idea with this is that on your Facebook group, you create a community of people, and you know that you're gonna actually provide value to them, and you know just teach them something, right? And you build this community, and people will eventually start clicking on your affiliate links and all that stuff and start generating sales for you. It's very powerful. And another thing you can do with this, which is the last thing that I strongly recommend, is basically creating a circle. So you got the Facebook group, you got the Facebook page, right? And then you got the channel too. If you want to, if you got the videos, you can create a YouTube channel for it as well and have your links on the YouTube as well. But what you can do with this is that you can actually create a circle, send people from your Facebook to your YouTube channel, from your YouTube channel to your Facebook, and between all these stuff you promote your affiliate links. And this is how you start building a nice community on Facebook and start driving traffic to your affiliate links on Clickbank, guys. So I hope this was helpful, guys. Let me know if you have any questions. Subscribe if you're not a subscriber. I'm posting videos every single day. I'm just sharing these awesome useful tips with you guys. So let me know if you have any questions. Subscribe if you're not a subscriber. Also, click the link in the description if you want to learn how I promote Clickbank products and make a ton of money with it. So if you want to learn these stuff in detail, definitely check out the link in the description. Thank you so much, guys. I'll see you in the next one.